We're at FDS Manufacturing Company in Pomona, California. We manufacture corrugated paper products and plastic packaging for industrial and agricultural uses. Our plastic products are fruit trays and clamshells for produce. We're doing 100 million clamshells a year.
We're very seasonal as well. So during those seasonal times it gets pretty crazy and there's a lot of products moving out the front door.
We made a decision 7 or 8 years ago that we had to actually make our own plastic sheets to be competitive in the clamshell and the fruit tray market. At that time we needed to add machinery that was very energy intensive.
And we also recognize that there's a massive amount of cooling that's required and also a drying requirement on the PET. So 24/7 we basically run that machine, and there's a real need for inexpensive power. It became real apparent that our payback would be very quick. We purchased 6 Capstone turbines. 2 of the turbines are used to crystallize and also dry PET plastic material for our extrusion line. The purpose of the Capstone turbines on the drying side of things was to offset the natural gas usage of 2 natural gas burners that use 385,000 BTUs an hour of natural gas. By adding those Capstone turbines in, we're able to turn those burners off completely. 4 of the turbines are used to create hot water. That hot water is used through a Thermax absorption chiller, where we then generate a 45-degree chilled water to cool the plastic during the extrusion process, and also our thermoforming process.
We estimate that our efficiency by utilizing the waste heat is approaching 80% efficiency of the energy put into the capstones. Overall, we've got way over 90% uptime, probably closer to 98%. I think the capstones ought to be at every manufacturing facility actually across the country. It allows a manufacturing company to have more control of their needs and costs.
They've been very reliable, and we look forward to installing another 6 turbines here in the future.